Hello prospectors! In this video I'm going to show you how to craft the material processor in Icarus. Over on your tech tree in the tier 4 section, you're going to find the material processor. You can make this on the fabricator, which is basically the tier 4 crafting station in the game. To make this, you're going to require some late game materials. You are going to grind for a good bit just to get these materials. Now you're going to need 30 pieces of aluminium ingots, 60 electronics, 12 steel screw, 3 titanium plates, and finally 8 carbon fiber. I'm going to skip the aluminium since you can just find these in caves and you only need to smelt them in a furnace. The electronics can be made with both copper and gold wires. These can be made simply just by using copper and gold ingots. For the epoxy, you can make this with the use of crushed bones, or the recipe that uses sulfur and tree sap. I'd recommend the crushed bones one, since it's cheaper and renewable. Organic resin can be made in the mortar and pestle for a piece of wood and oxite. Next thing is the steel screws. For this, you're going to need some steel ingots. To make it, you're going to need to make the steel bloom. There's multiple recipes for this, so you can choose whichever one you want. All you have to do is craft the steel bloom and then just shove it into a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace. Give it some time until it turns into a steel ingot. The titanium plate is very easy, as you'll only need 3 titanium ingots to make a single plate. Finally, the carbon fiber. You first have to make the carbon paste inside the mortar and pestle. You're going to need 1 piece of silica ore, 1 piece of aluminium, 4 pieces of organic resin, and finally 2 pieces of epoxy. When you're done making the carbon paste, just shove this in a concrete furnace or a higher tier furnace like the electric one. Give it some time and it'll be smelted down into carbon fiber. Now that you know how to make every material, you can now make your very own material processor. To make sure this is working, you need to connect this to your electricity grid to power it. This structure is basically a high-tier version of the mortar and pestle. It's faster and efficient, and also unlocks composite paste, which can be made to make even higher tier items or structures. And that's about it on how to craft the material processor in Icarus.